Hi guys, it's Meg. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. Today I want to share with you my favorites for the month of April. As you guys might know, I'm still not at home. I'm hanging out with my parents for a while. We're visiting and spending time with them, so I'm still at their house and I've been migrating around filming my videos in like my mom's room, my sister's room, and my old room, so that's why it's a constant change of scenery, but I think it's kind of fun to switch it up. So I have been kind of not living out of a suitcase, but obviously I only packed a certain amount of things to come home. So I've been using some of my mom's stuff and obviously like the makeup and stuff that I pack. So I wanted to share with you what I've really been getting a ton of use out of and that I've been loving so far. So the first thing I want to start off with is some shampoo and conditioner, and my mom just had this in the shower and I really like it. Normally she uses salon brands like Nexxus or like Biolash because she has really sensitive skin. So those are the types of things that she normally has in her shower, but she had this clear scalp and hair volumizing root boost and I really like it a lot. It smells pretty good, it washes really nice, and I do feel like I get a decent amount of volume like without even teasing my hair or anything like that. So I really have been loving these two together. I think they're really nice and I don't think she has a problem using them, and she has pretty sensitive skin. So I really like these a lot and I will definitely repurchase these. The next few things I want to share with you guys are makeup things, and it's only a couple. I feel like when I find something I like, I use it to death, and this is definitely one of those things. It's the Revlon Color Stay Foundation Pressed Powder. It's light to medium is the color, and I would say it's light coverage really. I don't know if it's considered a foundation powder or just a powder, but I've used a bunch of it. It does come with a puff, but I recommend using a brush with it, and I just feel that I love this for every day and I don't have to waste my MAC or my YSL powder on a daily basis when I can use this with a BB cream, and I really like the look that it gives. Okay, so speaking of MAC, another foundation I broke out is the Studio Sculpt, which is pretty heavy coverage in my opinion. It's very thick and almost like, I don't know, it feels like a gel-like consistency, but it's a gel-like mousse. I don't know, it's hard to describe. It's definitely not like super runny like a normal foundation. I really like this for heavy coverage, and this is the perfect weather that I can wear this foundation, because if it's too hot, I will sweat all day long. It's way too thick, but if it's too cold and my skin's dry, it doesn't really look good. So I do really like this. It's what I have on today. If you want to see how I did this makeup, I have a tutorial on it. I'll link it down below. But this is NW25 because I do have Sunless Tanner on right now, so that's the only reason why I have the NW25. Normally I'm an NW20 in all their foundations, but I really like this a lot. So if you need full coverage, like I've been having a ton of breakouts on the side of my face because I went back to eating a vegan diet again. So I'm kind of like, my skin I feel like is like cleansing itself. So I've definitely been having a ton of breakouts. I always get them on my cheeks, and it could be because that's where the majority of my makeup goes. So I don't know. I feel like it's my skin like clearing itself out because I'm not eating dairy or anything like that at the moment. So I definitely needed a fuller coverage foundation, and this definitely does the trick. My next obsession has been this NYX Butter Gloss, and I seriously, you guys, love this stuff. It's so creamy. It's so like, I don't know, smooth. It smells pretty pleasant. It doesn't have like an overwhelming scent, but I just love this color, and I have it on today over top of a Revlon Jumbo Lip Pencil thing, and I just love it over top of any lipstick or even by itself. So I love that. And then one other thing I want to share with you guys that I scored at Ulta is this little like turban bandana thing, and I have an obsession with headbands and like things, hats. I don't know why, I just love accessories. So I found this at Ulta. It was like $5, but this is going to be so fun for at the beach. I have a navy and a blue swimsuit that's just plain, and I think these give just such a fun like pop of color. Even for working out, I usually always wear a headband because I have a ton of little pieces that kind of stick out in the back of my hair. So I normally always wear a headband, and I think that this is really fun, perfect for summer and spring. Okay, so two more things I want to share with you guys, and I seriously am obsessed with these, are these rings from Michael Kors. Now I've mentioned the silver one before. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it, I have the silver and I just picked up the gold one, and I love these so much. I think they're so pretty. I wear them every day. I think they're just a really great everyday piece of like something sparkly and shiny that's super easy, that can go with everything. But I also picked up the matching bracelet. Now I found these at TJ Maxx on clearance and I'm obsessed. I love it. You guys can see the ring and the bracelet together. I think they're really pretty. This is a really great layering piece. I love it next to my gold watch because my gold watch doesn't have any like rhinestones or anything on it. So it kind of adds a little bit of sparkle. It's a really nice piece to wear by itself. I just love it. And they do come in silver as well. If I can find them, I'll link them down below, but this has kind of been my go-to little like arm stack. My Guess watch, these are both from Anthropologie, these little kind of bracelets. And then the Michael Kors one, which I absolutely love. So I've been obsessed with those. I haven't taken them off since I found them. So the last thing I want to share with you guys is my other huge favorite of the month, and that is this tote bag from Zara that I showed in my last Zara haul. And I love it, you guys. It's amazing. It's really big. If you guys can see how large this bag is, it's really huge. It fits so much stuff in it. It's perfect for traveling. The leather is so soft and like buttery. It's just really a gorgeous bag. The color of it I just think is amazing. I love the tassel that came with it, and it's just so fun. But what I really love about this is the big zipper pocket that it came with that's removable, and you can honestly just fit so much stuff in here. So this is like packed to the max. I can fit a ton of stuff in here. I love it. I love the color. I love the fact that it's so cute. It's a neutral, so it goes with everything. I can fit my stuff, my laptop, my iPad, all my electronics will fit in this bag. But then, you know, on a day-to-day basis, I can just use my Tote Savvy organizer in here and bring all my daughter's stuff if we're going to the mall or we're doing a day trip. It's big enough that I can fit all of her things, like a change of clothes if we need it, snacks, water, I mean, you name it. A full-size wallet, obviously. You can just fit a ton of stuff in here, and I absolutely love the color of it. I just think it's so pretty. Now, I do want to mention that when I first got this bag, the scent of the leather was seriously so nauseating, you guys. It was so strong. I don't know if it was like the dye they used to get it this pale pink color or what. It was really intense. So I don't know if it was just this one. I just wanted to warn you guys in case you do pick it up. The scent was like really, really intense, but it has gone away now that it's been like out and not obviously in a box. So just for like a warning, it was like pretty smelly when I got it, but it's fine now. That's everything I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!